Hello everyone and welcome back to another Study Monster bite-sized Python video. This one focusing on string manipulation, specifically how to slice and access characters from within a string. Okay, on to something a little bit more advanced but a lot more fun. So one other string manipulation technique is called slicing, where we can access different characters or a set of characters within a string using slicing, using its index positions. So in computing, we always start counting at 0. So the S, the capital S in this string value study monster, is at index 0. The T is at index 1, and so on, all the way up to index position 11. Now we can access these characters and print them back to our screen using the print function as normal. But inside of the print function, we can access them string values. So what we can do is type our variable message, and then inside of square brackets we need to provide Python with a starting index position and an ending index position. So I'm going to start with 0, and then I'm going to separate the ending index position with a colon, and the ending index position is the important one. This is the one that you need to be careful of. If I was to just grab the word study, or in fact the word monster, so we'll do study first. So we're going to grab study first. So index position 0 is the S, and we would like it to finish at Y. So you would think you would put index position 4 because Y is at index position 4. However, Python will only print up to but not include the final index position. So if we print that and see what happens, we get the word stud. So we haven't got study, we're missing the Y. So we have to extend it one more index position. So we extend it to 5, index position 5, which is the M, but it goes up to that but does not include that index position. So we run it again and we can access the first word study. You don't need to always start at the beginning, so we could start it at 5, and again we're not going to end it at 11 because that is not going to include the R, so we need to extend it to 12. Run that code again, and now we've accessed monster. So slicing is very, very powerful. Common questions in exams and exam questions might be to create some sort of username or some sort of password for a user, and you can do that by slicing letters from a first name, a surname, and or a year of birth or something similar to that. So a very, very powerful technique for string manipulation. So have a practice, have a play.